Today I'm going to show you how to install Purescript on your macOS. So before going to the installation part, let's first know what actually Purescript is and how it is different from another programming languages and what are its advantages and disadvantages. So let's quickly dig in. Talking about Purescript. So Purescript is a functional programming, or more correctly, we can say that it is a strongly typed functional programming languages that compile to the JavaScript. If I concisely talk about the definition of Purescript, then Purescript is a strongly typed, purely functional programming language that compiles to JavaScript and can be used to develop web application, server-side applications, and desktop application using Electron. And its syntax is mostly comparable to the Haskell, which is also one of the best programming language in functional area. So now let's see some of the advantages of Purescript. The first one is it compiles to the readable JavaScript and reuses the existing JavaScript code easily. Purescript has an extensive collection of libraries for development of web applications, web servers, mobile applications, and many more. It has an excellent tooling and editor support with the instant rebuild, and it has an active community with many learning resources. So this was the introduction of Purescript. So now let's quickly start the installation of Purescript on your macOS. And here we are going to follow certain steps and we require some tools to proceed. So first tool is npm node manager. This is a package manager using which we are going to install Purescript. So if you guys don't have this npm package manager, then you can install it from its official website, Node.js download. You can go to nodejs.org and click on downloads here and select the installer according to your operating system. So here I am using macOS, so I will select macOS installer. This will start the downloading part. I have already downloaded this Node.js, so I will cancel it for now. And you will have to just install it using double click and it will automatically take care of the installation part. After installing Node.js, our main purpose is to install Purescript, so we will navigate to the Purescript official website, that is purescript.org. Here you can see some of the small introduction about Purescript and quick start guide. It will take you to the GitHub page which will walk you through the installation part. So here it is saying npm install -g Purescript. npm is a command of Node.js. Install, it is instructing to install. -g, we are telling npm to install Purescript package globally. By globally, we means that we can access this Purescript using command line from anywhere in our computer system. So just run this command, terminal npm install -g script at 0.11.7. I am using 0.11.7 version, so I will install this one. You can install the latest version as well. I have already installed the Purescript, so it will most probably install it once again, or you can say replace all the files. After installing Purescript, you will see the success messages like this in your terminal. So our next step is to install some of the, you can say, package manager for this which will be used in this Purescript. So those package managers are Pulp and Bower package manager. So let's install that. So we can install that using the command npm only, npm install. We will have to install it globally. We have to install Pulp and Bower. So after hitting enter, it will install all the necessary packages for Pulp and Bower on your macOS system. It will take some time according to your computer speed and internet connection. I'm pausing this video here. So here we can see that Pulp and Bower is installed correctly on our macOS device. So our next step is to check whether Purescript is correctly working on the system or not. So we can do this by creating one Purescript project and initializing and running it on our system, or we can say running it on the Purescript REPL compiler. So let's do it. So navigate to the desktop folder. There make a directory named pure test. Now here we will use the command pulp init. What this will do is generate a skeleton of Purescript project on your directory, which is used for the compilation part, like which the Purescript compiler will understand and compile and run this in the terminal. So let's hit enter. This is generating project skeleton in this project directory. Here it is using Bower components we have installed earlier using npm. Here we have initialized the project in our selected directory. So let's see some of the contents of the directory. So what we got here is bower.json file, bower components, src folder and test folder. Bower.json file is a JSON file which will contain all the dependencies related to your projects. Bower component will store all the related files which are listed in the bower.json. src folder will contain all your project like .purs files. Test is for the test folder for testing your projects using npm watch or any test suites. So let's see the contents of src folder. We will navigate to the src, cat main .purs. So this is the content of the main file. If we have to run this, then we can come out of here, we will type pulp build. What this will do is generate an output folder and generate a JavaScript file. So where this JavaScript file will be stored, it will be stored in the output folder. I think, yeah, it is in output folder. So these are all the dependencies: cd main plus this is the index.json file. This we can export it in our any HTML program which we have talked about. It can be used for the development of web applications as well. So we type pulp run, this will run this project and display the output build successful, and the output as hello sailor, just print the hello sailor. So this was all about the installation part of the Purescript, and this running the basic functionality and testing whether Purescript is correctly installed on the system or not. We will talk deeper, we will go into deeper in the Purescripts in our later video. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.